as a civil engineer or as a architect, Windows 11 is perfect for me or not. So I highly request to watch this video till the end, so that you will get the proper answer whether this upgrade is for you or not. For that, we need to perform some activity over your system or your laptop or your computer. Simply go to your setting, click on setting option, then click on update and security, and here we are. Simply check what kind of message showing on your screen. For example, on my laptop, the answer is this PC does not meet all the system requirement for Windows 11. So basically Windows saying that my laptop or my PC or my system is not compatible with Windows 11 upgrade. So whether I should upgrade it from manually, because look, if you are not getting this message, you are simply getting the message that it will explain that you are able to install, or your all system requirements are compatible with Windows 11 upgrade. So you can simply download and install it without any kind of error. So please check this before you start this video. Now the next step is simply search run and click on run app. In run app, type DXDIAG. Why we are doing this? Simply do that. I will explain why this is important before starting or before upgrading to next level or Windows 11. And here we are. Basically we are now studying our system properties or specification or information, because this is very important to check compatibility of your Windows upgrade along with the software system requirements. Because if you upgrade to next level, that is Windows 11, and in that case if your PC or laptop or your system is not compatible with those software or those Windows upgrade, then in that case you may face various kind of errors. So we have to avoid that. So that's why I am requesting you to please check this system requirement, or simply check the system information your PC or your laptop. Once you click on next, you can see that you are basically studying everything about your system, about your PC or laptop. Now on your screen you are just watching my laptop specification regarding the display. So you can just observe that what kind of display I have, or you can simply check your display setting. Okay, similarly we now click on next, and we will see what about rendering, that is required for 3D works. And here it is. Now you can see what are the devices actually present in my laptop for rendering purpose. So why this is important? Now the main video start, and yes, I request you to do this all step regarding the Windows update or upgrade, whether you are getting it or not, and then the system requirement or system information, you can simply collect this information by following these steps. And now finally we are at the main video. Basically Windows 11 is for you, yes or no. The first question should be, should I install original version or pirated version? Here the simple and clear answer is, if you have a original Windows, in that case yes, there is no need to worry about installation. But answer the remaining question. But if you are trying to install pirated version of Windows 11, then I will say that please don't do that. In that case, as a civil engineer or as an architect, you will face many problems regarding your softwares and their performance. So please avoid that. If you want Windows 11, then in that case you need to install original version. Basically what I am saying, if your PC laptop is already contain a pirated OS or operating system, that is Windows 10, in that case simply don't do this. Okay, firstly purchase Windows 10 or Windows 11. After that you need to upgrade to Windows 11. But before that, let's answer all remaining questions. Now the next question is it mandatory to upgrade? Now look, we know that as a Windows 10 operating system user, we know that once you get any kind of update from Windows 10, in that case they provide some kind of margin. So in that case you have an option to install it or not. Okay, but after some days they force you to install or update. So in that case I will say that similarly, if you are getting a update for Windows 11 to upgrade to the next OS, so in that case if it's mandatory, basically if Windows 10 is forcing you to install or upgrade Windows to Windows 11, in that case yes, you need to upgrade. But if it's not mandatory, or the Windows 10 OS is not forcing you to upgrade to Windows 11, so in that case you can avoid it, because you need to answer following questions. Now the third question is, do you have proper internet connection? The reason is very simple. Look, if you are trying to, or if you want to upgrade to Windows 11, in that case I will say that it's not about MB. Okay, the installation, then download and installation will consume data in GB. So in that case you need a internet connection, but it should be a proper, because while downloading, if you facing a connection problem, internet connection problem, in that case your Windows 11 will be corrupted, or you may face many problems after installation. So in that case you need to remind yourself that do I have a proper connection of internet. Otherwise you need a proper connection, you need to provide a proper connection to your system. After that you can proceed to this Windows upgrade. Now as an engineer, next two questions are very important. Please make a list of all required software. For example, as a civil engineer I need AutoCAD, Revit, 3ds Max, okay, SketchUp. So please make required software list, because we need to answer the following question, the final question, and that question is, the fifth question is, check the system requirement for your softwares. Because if your laptop, if your current status of your laptop, as we already checked in this video, if your current status or current system information is not compatible with the minimum system requirement for your required softwares, okay, for example AutoCAD, Revit, 3ds Max, SketchUp, so in that case it will be very risky to upgrade to Windows 11. Yes, you can upgrade to Windows 11, but after that what? Basically why we are using this system or this laptop or PC? Because for our professional work, okay. So in that case if you do this mistake, after that you will face many problems regarding your software, that is AutoCAD and Revit. So you need to list out all the software you required for your professional works, and then simply check the minimum system requirement. I am not saying about a recommended system requirement, I am just asking for the minimum system requirement. If your system meets those minimum system requirement, in that case there is no issue, you are ready to install Windows 11, or I will say that you are ready to upgrade to Windows 11. Otherwise please say no to Windows 11. The reason is very clear, we are doing a professional work, okay, as a civil engineer or as an architect. In that case this is our proper weapon, okay, our laptop, our computer are our weapons, okay. So if we are compromising with our strength of our weapons, in that case basically we are compromising with our outputs, professional outputs. So that's why I will say that simply answer this question, and then and before that check the all system requirement, okay, the Windows requirement, and then decide whether this Windows upgrade is for you or not. In that case I will say that in my case the answer is clearly no. As you see, my system requirement or my system completely denied to meet the system requirement for Windows 11, even for the some latest software, that is Revit or 3ds Max. So in that case my answer for myself is no, I am not going to upgrade to Windows 11 for this laptop, maybe for other laptop. So my answer is no for this laptop. So simply you need to decide whether this upgrade is for you or not. I hope this video will help you, and if you like this video, simply share to other, so that they also know why Windows 11 is not for everyone. Thank you so much.